Magandang buhay sa lahat. The Liza Soberano Effect. Ang mga komento sa kanya. Dahil sa angking niyang kagandahan. Teen Goddess, crush ng bayan. Madaming na-impress sa ganda nito, mapa-local man o international. Sobrang hangang-hanga sila sa ganda ng dalaga. All praises ang maririnig. Ayon sa kanila, Liza Soberano, tunay na naiiba and always stand out. The most beautiful model, actress, and the most beautiful face, all over the world. Ayon pa sa nag-react, sa mga photos, ni Liza Soberano. I am still, in a state of shock, week after, I saw Liza. Her face, and the totality of her beauty, is really unforgettable. She is also, very sexy. She is what I call, pure sexy. The way she moves, she has a natural graceful walk. Her smile is so genuine. Her voice is so magical, and she has that innocent tone that I guess most guys who get to interact with her face-to-face fall in love with. Liza Soberano is the real deal. Her beauty is universal because her face is appreciated by many races, like Asians, Caucasian, and blacks. Her beauty is strong, fierce, Miss Universe type. She was so beautiful. My gosh, she is so beautiful. Grabe ang ganda niya, wala siyang katulad. All praises ang maririnig at mababasa sa mga komento, sa mga iba't ibang photos ng dalaga. Mula noon hanggang ngayon.
Walking alone, the streets are empty.